In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the cash flow planner in QuickBooks Online. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and clicking on Dashboards in the left panel. From there, head over to the Planner tab. If this is your first time here and you haven't created a planner yet, click Start Planning. That will load the workspace and prepare your cash flow view. Once the planner opens, you'll see a historical view of your cash flow. This is a visual snapshot of how money has moved through your connected bank accounts over time. It's designed to help you quickly spot trends, like months where more cash left than came in, so you can make informed decisions. You can switch between viewing your cash balance and the breakdown of money in and money out. The cash balance view shows how your available cash has changed, while the money in and out view separates inflows and outflows so you can understand what's driving movement. Use this to see whether changes are due to income timing, expenses, or both. Move your mouse over the graphs to reveal more details. Hovering shows exact amounts and dates, which makes it easier to pinpoint specific spikes or dips. If something looks unusual, hovering helps you isolate the period and the number without guessing. As you scroll down, you'll find the same information presented in a table format. This tabular view lays out the cash flow by period, giving you a clear line-by-line look that complements the charts above. If you prefer numbers over visuals, this is a great place to confirm totals and review the flow with precision. You can also add an item to see how it affects your cash flow and your projected cash balance. Think of this as a what-if tool. Enter a planned inflow, like an expected payment, or an upcoming outflow, like a large bill, and immediately see how it shifts your projection. This is especially helpful for planning around big purchases or timing your payables and receivables. Remember, these added items are just for planning purposes and don't affect your actual books. Nothing you enter here will post to your accounts or change your financial statements. That means you can confidently try different scenarios, adjust amounts and dates, and compare outcomes without worrying about creating extra entries to clean up later. A good tip is to label items clearly so you can keep track of what each scenario represents. And that's all. With the Dashboards Planner tab, the historical view, detailed hover insights, the table layout, and the ability to add planning items, you have everything you need to visualize, test, and prepare for your cash position with confidence.